Hi guys, how are you all doing? Happy New Year to you. Hope you're doing amazingly well. If you are, I am as well. Thank you for coming to watch my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. For those of you who are subscribed, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. It's a new year, new you. Do good deed. Subscribe, and believe me, like if you do that, your year is gonna start out amazingly well. So in today's video, as you can see, I have my headscarf on, and when I have this on, just know that I'm going to be doing a video where I am reviewing hairs. But not all the time that I have headscarf on means I'm doing reviews. Don't take me literally. Like there will be some time that I'll have headscarf on, but I'm not. It's not. I give up. Either way, today I have headscarf on because I will be doing an unboxing from a hair that I got from Glam. The few things I'm gonna say about Glam. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm quite disappointed. Not in the hair. I've not opened it yet. I say I'm really disappointed in the shipping. Now I got this hair November, and this hair literally came like 3-4 days ago. So legit, this is human hair, and everyone knows like human hair takes 1 week, and it's going to overstretch 2 weeks. But I got this like a month later, and I was really sad because I have another hair that I had already ordered, and that came like 6 days. When I wrote the customer service, they said that they had made a mistake, and so they had to like take the hair back, do some things in the hair, put more density, because I had ordered for 180 density, but I think they were sending like 150 density. I'm glad that they actually like went back and adjusted things, but I actually felt bad because I'm not gonna lie, it was a hair that I bought with my money, and I had intention of using the hair to go somewhere, and I just couldn't do it because it came super late. But be that as it may, I am still happy to have this hair, and I wanted to show it to you guys. I'm gonna rock it like I always do. It's gonna be a first impression. I'm gonna open it, you look at it, tell you my first initial reaction to the hair. And then before the end of this video, I am going to slay this hair, wear it so you guys can see. Obviously, this is not an installment video or installation video. It is more of a first reaction, and then later you get to see a clip of me with the hair already on, giving my final review. So if you want me to do a video where I am installing the hair, like always, let me know in the comment section. So Glam shipping, it wasn't good, I'm not gonna lie. But I just feel like maybe it was just because of the mistake they made. So I'm not like 100% mad. I'm more like 50% mad because I just felt like I couldn't use the hair when I wanted to. But other than that, I am going to be, opened up and not just let that cloud, whatever judgment I want to have on this hair. So this hair is a wavy hair, and I bought it because, okay, first of all, the packaging is nice. Like, I was trying to say something, but I opened the packaging. Packaging is nice. I'm not gonna lie. Look at it. Packaging is quite nice. I bought this hair because I don't do colors, and I was trying to, invest in colored wigs, and my friend recommended that I got this hair. So this is more like, should I call it a Beyonce sort of blonde? This hair that kind of like brownish and blondie as well. Yeah, that was the kind of vibe I was going for. It's a wavy hair. It's 22 inches. I got it for 130 something euros. I think almost like 140 euros, but 130 something euros because it was on discount due to Black Friday. So that is pretty much the basics of this hair. Look at the way it was nicely packed. This is nice. Feels all glamorous. And already, lashes already fell off. The lashes are just, it says MAC, but we know it's not MAC, but I appreciate it either way. So now I'm going to take it off. Oh, I think they really invested in their business because the whole packaging is so cute. Everything has Glam written on it. And I'm not gonna lie, packaging wise, I love it. It feels luxurious. It feels nice. It's also homely for me. So now there's a wig cap, and as always, every hair always keep a note. So it says how to measure your wigs. So basically you see that, and then it says, "Dear customer, thanks so much you chose working with our store. We have a cashback for you reward in $10. Please leave a 5-star in order to get it, and then share the pictures in your review. Well, anyway, I'm gonna leave a 5-star if it's worth it. Actually, I don't just leave reviews if I'm not satisfied. So here is the hair. Sorry guys, I think I'm having visitors and they're already coming. But anyway, this is the hair. Why not now? God. Anyway, this is the hair. So Stan is gonna open the door for them. And what can I say? This was not really what I was expecting though. I thought the blonde was gonna be less blondie. But you know, it's not bad. One thing about hair is that you can never tell. You have to obviously wear it, style it, and then that is when you get the real measurement. This looks like a 13 by 4. The lace is this particular, it has like a deep pattern in the middle. It's transparent. The coil's already done, but I think I'm just gonna redo it. Well, what can I say? Like, first review, first impact, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really blown away by it. I think it's more like a 60%. But when I wear it and I style it, I'm gonna know how it looks like. Feeling it is quite soft, I must say. I just feel like the hair is just looks rough to the eyes. But you know, sometimes when your hair are being pressed in boxes, they tend to be like this. So I'm not judging them by that. I'm just gonna judge, you know, by the time I've seen it. It has no particular smell whatsoever, and that's pretty much it. So right now, the next thing you guys are gonna see is a clip of me having this hair on, and then give you my final reviews. So see you guys later. So guys, this is the finished result. I am blown away by this hair. Oh my god, I am literally about to take back everything that I said. This hair suits me like crazy. And not because I was saying like the color was not fully convincing, but now having it on, oh my god, like I love it. Like you all can see, right? Like I don't even need to like tell you guys anything about this hair. This hair looks so beautiful on me. Like just a second, like oh, wow. Anyway guys, I love this hair, and the overall vote I'm gonna give this hair, I think it's gonna be like a 9 out of 10. It's not a 10 out of 10 just because of like the shipping issue, but other than that, it is beautiful, it is soft, I love it, and you know, you guys should check it out. I'm gonna put a link in my description to the shop and the store, Max Glam. You guys can go there and shop for yours, and I hope you enjoy it when you get it. And if you get it, like, and you want to send me like pictures, you can send them to my IG so I can see how they look on you. Bye.
I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna